Hello and welcome back to latest case analysis series by Law Seco. So today for our discussion we have a Supreme Court decision which is dated 16th of October 2020. The name of the case is Chandrabhan Singh versus the state of Rajasthan. It is a three-judge bench decision of the Honorable Supreme Court, and the bench consisted of Honorable Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, Justice Dinesh Maheshwari and Justice Harishikesh Roy. Now let's proceed and understand the issue of law. So the court was to decide whether it is necessary for a court of first appeal in criminal matters to form its own opinion based on the evidence available on record. Now let's proceed further and understand the brief facts of the matter. So the accused petitioner, he was convicted by the trial court under section 302 of IPC, which is punishment for murder, and then he filed a first appeal before the Rajasthan High Court. The Rajasthan High Court dismissed the appeal, and while dismissing the appeal, made the following order, which is to the following effect. We find that the prosecution has been successful in proving guilt of the accused appellant by adducing cogent and reliable evidence beyond all reasonable doubt. Hence, from the circumstances brought on record by the prosecution, the guilt of the accused appellant with regard to the commission of crime in question stands duly established. Appellant has been in actual custody for about 8.5 years, and hence, aggrieved by this decision of the Rajasthan High Court, the accused filed an SLP, that is special leave petition, before the Supreme Court. Now, having understood the brief facts, let's proceed further with the reasoning and decision of the court. So the court at the very outset stated that first appeal in criminal matter, it does require court to form its own opinion on the basis of evidence on record and the opinion of the trial court. Approval of the impugned order shows that the facts have been set out, followed by what each witness has deposed. And then the court also noted that while making a reference to the above High Court order, the High Court order can hardly meet requirement of law for considering first appeal in criminal matters. Thus, the impugned order was set aside. The matter was remitted back for consideration of the High Court on merits as a first appeal in a Section 302 case of the IPC in accordance with law, which is forming its own opinion considering the evidence which is placed before the court and the decision of the trial court. The petitioner was also granted bail on terms and condition to the satisfaction of the trial court because he was already in custody for a certain amount of years, and hence the appeal was allowed by the Supreme Court. So what we need to extract from this entire case analysis is that the issue of law, it was answered in positive by the court, and it was held that the court of first appeal in criminal matters, it does need to form its own opinion based on the evidence available on record. At the end of the note, you may find a list of abbreviations used in the note. You may refer to the same for a clearer understanding. And if you have any questions, kindly feel free to mention the same in the comments section. And thank you for being with us.